Everybody, today I'm really very happy to talk to you back. This is Solomon Raj from Yes We Can channel. So today the topic for discussion is we are going to discuss about what is going to happen next, what next. Especially everybody is worried about the job. Okay, so after this lockdown, everybody knows that the situation is very tough, and a lot of big companies have started already. They have started to lay off all the employees, and everybody is worried what is going to happen to my job, what is going to happen to my family, what is going to happen to my situation, how is that I'm going to pay the house rent, how is that I'm going to pay my bills. All these things people are starting worrying. So I would request you, please don't worry, please do not worry. Make sure that you please explore yourself. Have you started exploring this? This is one question I would like to ask you. A lot of people who are being successful in this world, people who are earning millions and millions of dollars, they followed what they like, they followed their passion. I would like to ask you, what is your passion? What is that you like to do every day? So is that the job which is paying you salary? I'm not saying that doing job is something which is against. That is really good. But apart from that, what exactly is your passion? What exactly you love to do? Everybody in this world is unique in nature. God has given everybody a unique talent. Only thing is, lot of people who identify their talent, identify their actually strength, those people are successful. Are you spending some time with yourself to identify your skill or identify your strength? Are we doing that? Most of the people, people who are really successful, they realize that their potential is something different. If you talk about Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, he followed his passion. Bill Gates, he followed his passion. So Thomas Alva Edison, he followed his passion. He was actually thrown out of the school, but his mother motivated him. He started doing a lot of experiments, and today he was able to. Today everybody is actually seeing the electric bulb, and everybody, we are enjoying the light in the night. So the thing is, only thing is, what I would suggest you here is, please identify your skill, identify your strength, what exactly you can do. If you don't know what you can do now, tomorrow you are going to suffer a lot, because not every day is going to be a cakewalk for us from now, because companies are looking how exactly we can throw out the people. That is what they are thinking. So you can see a lot of people on YouTube, they are being successful. They are actually doing a lot of videos. They are actually trying their best to they are actually telecasting whatever they like it, whatever their passion is. Please identify your skill and identify your passion. Please follow your passion, then I'm sure that you will be successful. So please identify what you like the most, what is that unique skill you have. I'm sure that everybody has some unique talent and unique skill. Only thing is, you have to identify it. Please identify it. Just watch some videos, read some book, and spend some time with yourself, and just write down what you can do. Then you'll really know actually sometimes how you can identify your talent. Maybe your friend knows your talent, maybe your father knows, your mother knows, maybe your close friend knows, or maybe your family members or any of your relatives. They know your what exactly you're good. Maybe you have done something in the past which was really successful. So just think about that, what you can do. So it is possible. That's what I would suggest you. If you really identify or explore your skill, definitely you will be successful in your life. So I'm really very happy to talk about this subject. I hope this subject is really helpful to you. If you have any comments, please pass your comments in the comment box. I'm really getting good responses. Thank you very much for giving a good response. I'm also learning with you. I'm also learning new things. Please encourage me, as this is a new channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and also share with your friends. And if you do have any kind of comments, please send them in the comment box. Thank you very much. This is Solomon Raj for Yes We Can channel. Bye bye.